Hi guys, it's Keith with Arkenberg Farms here. Today I'm going to show you how we lean and lower our tomato plants here. Because as you can see, they're starting to get a little out of control on me. I'll show you the method we're currently using on the farm. Here's where our tomato plant should look like trimmed. All the lower leaves have been removed. Up to the fruiting bodies. These should be trimmed up to right about here right now, which they're not. And all these suckers that are going all over the place where it looks like a big giant bush that's hanging nowhere near this main line should be. So we're going to take some of these down and get them tied up. Now we're going to start with the one here on the end. Go through and clip off any of the extra leaders or burnt vines. We still have a couple there, we'll leave them on. Go up, make sure there's no other leaders on here. This one looks pretty good. So we pull our slip knot. Unwind it. Bring it out from the rest of the fruit clusters, because inevitably it'll try to grab the ones around it. Find out where our end is. We need to add some more string. Tie a square knot. Give us an extra foot or so. So plenty for the rest of the season. Where we're at here, we're going to come back around the trellis. And tie it up from the back side. Again, we go over twice. Tie a single overhand. And then you tie a slip knot. Sorry about that. My recording device cut out on me again. It does that in the heat. So what we're looking for is the plants coming up at an angle on the end. Right about there. We still have room to grow. And we'll track these down to the bottom. At all the vines resting across the ground here. So we'll come over here. We'll do before. You can see where they're coming across and coming up. And then keep coming up and explode over the top of the trellis. We're going to trim all that down and I'll show you afterwards. Because my long angle is not working. This thing keeps overheating and quits recording on me. I'll show you here in just a second. Got the first 10 done. They're all wrapped on the front side. You can see the ones going the other direction back here on the back side. So now I've got a completely open trellis. We got 10 tomato plants. They start off down here. It comes across and sweeps up and stops. But I've still got another about 2 foot till they reach the top. So I can just keep winding them up. Everything's about the same height. I had a couple that are a little higher than the others, but they're out here at the end. But this is what you're looking for at the bottom. Looking for all your stalks running nice and parallel with each other, and your fruit clusters up off the ground just like that. So I'll continue my way down the row and then complete the rest of them. Well, I discovered a major inefficiency in my tomato trellising today. Was once I took the lines down there too short. It takes a lot of time to retie the line and twist it back around them. The result is also knocking off tomatoes, which is not a good thing all in all. I think next year I'll get the reels or the spools, so I can just take it, turn it, or twist it, drop it down, move the hook over, and just keep going. Hope you all like what you saw here today and thought it was useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.